Welcome to this comprehensive guide on resolving the YouTube AdSense Step 2 error. This issue can be a significant hurdle for creators looking to monetize their content. We are here to help you navigate this challenge with clear, actionable steps. The Step 2 error specifically refers to a problem encountered during the YouTube monetization application process. It occurs when YouTube attempts to link your channel to an AdSense account for payment processing. Essentially, it's a roadblock in connecting your earnings to your bank. The core problem here is usually related to the AdSense account itself, either in its creation or its approval status. This step is crucial for establishing your payment gateway with Google. Without a properly linked and approved AdSense account, your monetization journey cannot proceed. You'll typically encounter specific error messages indicating this problem. Common phrases include error, fix in AdSense, or your AdSense account was not approved. These messages are designed to alert you that something went wrong during the AdSense linking phase. Sometimes the error message might be more specific, pointing to issues like account already exists or data mismatch. These details are vital clues that will guide our troubleshooting efforts. Pay close attention to the exact wording you see on your screen. The impact of a Step 2 error on your YouTube monetization is immediate and significant. It directly delays your channel's ability to earn revenue from ads. Until this error is resolved, your hard work on content creation won't translate into earnings. This means you cannot receive payments for views, clicks, or other monetized interactions on your videos. It's a frustrating pause in your creator journey, but one that is often fixable with the right approach. We understand your eagerness to monetize and are here to support you. Understanding why the Step 2 error occurs is the first step toward fixing it. Many issues stem from discrepancies in account information. These details are critical for Google to verify your identity and ensure proper payments. Incorrect or outdated address details are a frequent culprit. Even a small typo in your street name, city, or postal code can trigger this error. AdSense requires precise information to comply with financial regulations and ensure mail delivery. A mismatch between your AdSense address and official identification documents can also cause problems. Google often verifies this information for security and compliance. Always ensure your details are consistent across all official records. Mismatched personal information is another common cause. This includes discrepancies in your name, such as using a channel name instead of your legal name. AdSense requires your full legal name as it appears on government-issued identification. Date of birth inconsistencies can also lead to issues. Ensure the date of birth entered in your AdSense account matches your official documents. Any deviation can flag your account for review or rejection. Furthermore, using a different Google account for AdSense than the one linked to your YouTube channel can create confusion. While not always a direct cause, it can complicate the linking process. Consistency helps streamline the application. Existing AdSense account conflicts are a major reason for the Step 2 error. Many creators unknowingly attempt to create a new AdSense account when one already exists under their name or associated details. Google's policy is one AdSense account per person. If you have a previous AdSense account that is in bad standing or has unresolved issues, this will prevent a new application from being approved. This could include policy violations or unpaid balances from a past website or channel. It is crucial to address any legacy problems. Sometimes the AdSense approval process is indirectly affected by your YouTube channel's compliance. While not a direct AdSense error, issues on your channel can prevent the overall monetization approval. AdSense policies are strict about content quality and legality. Non-compliance with AdSense program policies on your channel can be a factor. This includes content that violates copyright, community guidelines, or advertiser-friendly guidelines. AdSense wants to ensure ads are placed on appropriate content. Content violations on your YouTube channel, such as severe copyright strikes or community guideline violations, can halt the monetization process. Even if your AdSense account is technically fine, your channel might not meet the eligibility criteria. Maintaining a clean channel is paramount. Invalid traffic concerns, even if not directly related to your AdSense account, can also be a red flag. If Google detects suspicious activity or artificial engagement on your channel, it can impact monetization approval. Always strive for genuine audience interaction. Now that we understand the causes, let's dive into the specific solutions and troubleshooting steps. The most critical first step is verifying and correcting your account information. Accuracy here is non-negotiable. Double-check all address details in your AdSense account for absolute accuracy. Compare every digit and letter against official documents like utility bills or government IDs. Even a minor typo can cause significant delays. Ensure your personal information, especially your full legal name and date of birth, precisely matches your official identification documents. This consistency is vital for Google to verify your identity and process payments correctly. Take the time to review every field. Update any outdated information in your AdSense account immediately. If you've moved or changed your name, ensure these changes are reflected. Keeping your details current prevents future issues and ensures smooth communication. Addressing existing AdSense account issues is often key to resolving the Step 2 error. Many creators inadvertently create duplicate accounts, which is against AdSense policy. You must identify and close any duplicate AdSense accounts you might have. If you suspect you have an old AdSense account, try logging in with any Google account you might have used in the past. If you find one, you'll need to either reactivate it or formally close it before proceeding. Google only allows one active account per payee. If an existing AdSense account has pending issues such as policy violations or payment holds, these must be resolved first. Contact AdSense support for that specific account to clear any outstanding problems. You cannot link a problematic account to YouTube. Checking your YouTube channel compliance is also a crucial step, even if the error points to AdSense. Review your YouTube channel content against AdSense program policies and YouTube's monetization policies. Ensure all your videos meet the guidelines for advertiser friendliness. Actively look for and resolve any copyright strikes or community guideline violations on your channel. These can prevent your channel from being approved for monetization, regardless of your AdSense account status. A clean record is essential for approval. Once you've corrected all identified issues, you'll need to resubmit your application. Follow the specific steps provided within your YouTube Studio Monetization tab to relink or resubmit your AdSense application. This usually involves clicking a Fix in AdSense or Change Association button. After resubmitting, patience is absolutely necessary during the re-review process. Google's systems and teams need time to process the changes and reevaluate your application. Avoid making further changes during this waiting period unless instructed. If you've exhausted all self-help options, contacting Google AdSense support becomes necessary. Start by utilizing the AdSense Help Center and community forums. Many common issues have already been discussed and resolved by other users. If the issue persists, escalate it to direct AdSense support. This option is usually available through the AdSense Help Center once you've gone through initial troubleshooting steps. Be prepared to provide detailed information about your problem. When contacting support, provide detailed information about the error message you're seeing and all the steps you've already taken. Include screenshots and any relevant account IDs. The more information you provide, the faster support can assist you. Prevention is always better than cure, especially with AdSense errors. Proactive information management can save you a lot of headaches down the line. Start by ensuring all your personal and address details are accurate from the very beginning. When you first set up your AdSense account, double-check every piece of information. Compare it against official documents to prevent future discrepancies. This initial diligence can prevent many common Step 2 errors. Always use a consistent Google account for both your YouTube channel and your AdSense account. While not strictly required, it simplifies the linking process and reduces potential confusion. This consistency helps Google connect your entities seamlessly. Adherence to policies is another critical best practice. Thoroughly understand and comply with all AdSense program policies from day one. These policies are designed to protect advertisers, publishers, and users, and violations can lead to account suspension. Regularly review your content against YouTube's community guidelines and advertiser-friendly guidelines. Maintaining a clean and policy-compliant YouTube channel is essential for long-term monetization success. Proactive content management prevents issues. The solutions outlined in this guide have a high claimed success rate for resolving the Step 2 error. Many creators have successfully navigated this issue by diligently following these steps. These methods are based on common causes and official Google recommendations. Testimonials and anecdotal evidence from the creator community consistently show that these troubleshooting steps work. By systematically addressing each potential cause, you significantly increase your chances of a successful resolution. Your persistence will pay off. It is important to emphasize that some issues may require multiple attempts or interactions with support. Don't get discouraged if the problem isn't solved immediately. The process can sometimes involve waiting for reviews or further communication from Google. The value of following all steps diligently cannot be overstated. Rushing through or skipping steps might lead to incomplete fixes or new problems. Take your time, be thorough, and systematically work through each recommendation. Your monetization journey is worth the effort.